In regards to that Zuari Agrochemicals Limited contaminated tank blast, the Verna police station has registered FIR against the supervisor of Bokaro
Engineering works
company, who is in contract with the Zuari for maintenance work, and they have also booked FIR against the immediate supervisory staff of the company. So the investigation is in progress. Yesterday, one supervisor, Pradhan, who was present at the site at the time of accident and who has failed in his duties to supervise the work properly, he has been arrested, and more likely arrests are to be followed.
So any negligence you have noticed from the part of the company?
That all roles are being investigated. Only after investigating the each and everyone's responsibility and the negligent role, then only they will be.
सध्या तुम्ही एक सुपरवायझर अरेस्ट केलेलो असा सध्या आणि more arrests are likely.
More arrests.
Thank you, sir.